Good morning, my lovely students. How are you? Welcome to today's lesson. This is Language Booster TV, the YouTube channel which helps you to learn English, Kinyarwanda, and Kiswahili. Three languages which are very important. I'm your teacher, Eric, and I welcome you to today's live lessons. It is a very crucial lesson. Tugiye kurebera hamwe isomo ry'ingenzi kandi bayikaze nshuti bakunzi Language Booster TV. Tugiye kurebera hamwe isomo riri gufashe ku boosting vocabulary ya kongera ubumenyi ufite mu rurimi by'umwihariko amagambo y'ururimi rw'icyongereza. Hari uburyo ukenera kugaragaza ko unaniwe. Inshuro nyinshi umuntu ashaka kugaragaza kananiwe aravuga ati I am tired. I am tired, or just I'm tired. Ati ndananiwe rwose. Ndabizi ko ubwo buryo tumenyereye iyo nteruro, iyo phrase abantu benshi barayikoresha I'm tired. I've come up with other ways, other 10 ways to I'm tired. Tuzanye ubundi buryo 10 wakoresha uvuga ngo I'm tired. So dear students, welcome to today's live lesson. Nugera kuri iyi channel wandika muri comment utwereke kuri kumwe natwe n'uburyo wakiriye isomo. So write in the comment and tell us how have you interested in this lesson. So dear students, welcome. Where are you? So I'm waiting for you, dear students. Can we start our lesson? Tell me in the comment, how is the lesson? It is somo se muryiteguye mute. How are you waiting for this lesson? So tugiye kure ndabizi ko ishuro nyinshi mukenera kuvuga ngo ndananiwe we ndananiwe I'm tired. Ariko mukimwe gukoresha tired hari andi magambo, hari izindi phrase, hari ubundi buryo 10 wavuga ukabuvuze ngo ndananiwe kandi utavuze iyi nteruro yamenyerewe. So try to be advanced, gerageza umenye nandi magambo wakoresha. It is not good to always use one word. Ntabwo ari ngombwa ko buri gihe ukoresha ijambo rimwe. There are many different ways to say I'm tired. Hari ubundi buryo 10 butandukanye wakoresha uvuga ngo ndananiwe. So you are advised to subscribe if it is your first time to come across with this channel. Niba ari bwameze kuri channel uragirwa inama yo gukora subscribe so you can't miss any lesson from here. So click on the bell icon kana ukazogera, click on all notification kana it's all so that you can get notified as soon as possible the new video is uploaded on this channel. Message n'ubutumwa bw'uko iki gikorwa cyose gikorewe kuri no channel yacu, yaba video yaba post ishyizweho, byose bigambiriye kukwigisha. Uzaba mbere mu kubona iyo message nuko kazogera uzaba mbere mu kubona iyo message. Niba wamaze gukora subscribe urabizi ka benshi mwabikoze ndanabashimiye. So I appreciate the way those who have subscribed. So if you have subscribed, you can show us that you are interested in what we teach you. Shaka kureka niba unyuzwe n'ibyo tukwigisha, kwa like kuri buri somo ryose tugushyiriyeho. This is very important. Ni ingenzi kubera ko YouTube recommends you our videos because he has realized that you like what we teach you. Ni kubera ko wakunze ibyo tugukorera. YouTube ikikora no kukwegereza bugufi amasomo yacu yose igihe cyose winjiye kuri YouTube wakoze like. Nicyo like kumariye. Ikindi I encourage you to write in comment to us that you are interested. Wanditse muri comment natwe tubona yuko wanyuzwe n'ibyo dukora kandi tukagira advantage, tukagira motivation. We have a motivation to keep preparing useful lessons. Natwe biduteye imbaraga iyo tubonye mwandika muri comment bikadutera imbaraga zo gukora tubakorera. So let us start our lesson. Right. So 10 ways to say you were tired. Number 1 is I'm exhausted. I'm exhausted. Singongo go uvuga ngo I'm tired, you can say I'm exhausted. Try to speak after me. Gerageza I'm exhausted. I'm exhausted. I'm exhausted. Try. So ni kimwe n'uvuga ngo ndananiwe. So ubundi buryo bwa kabiri wavuga kunaniwe, it is I'm dead tired. I'm dead tired. I'm dead tired. Uvuga ngo ndananiwe cyane, ndananiwe byo gupfa. Umva, I'm dead tired. Ndananiwe bya hatari. I'm dead tired. Ndananiwe byahatari pepe. I'm dead tired. Right. Ubundi buryo bwa gatatu wakoresha ugaragaza ko unaniwe cyane uzavuga ngo I'm pooped. I'm pooped. I'm pooped. Try pooped. I'm pooped. Ndananiwe cyane. I'm pooped. Right. Ubundi buryo bwa kane wakoresha uvuga ko unaniwe cyane is I'm spent. I'm spent. Nashize kabisa. I'm spent. Nashize. Nananiwe byatari narangiye. I'm spent. Yes. Ubundi buryo bwa gatanu wakoresha I'm beat. Nko kuvuga ngo nakubiswe umva nananiwe narangiye wagira ngo nakubiswe. I'm beat. Ubwo ni uburyo butanu bwa mbere. Uburyo butanu bwa mbere se mubwakiriye muti? These are 5 first words to express to show that you are tired. So how have you experienced this? Wari usanzwe umenyereye izihe muri izo eshanu? Which one? I'm exhausted. I'm dead tired. I'm pooped. I'm spent. Or I'm beat. Which one is you are familiar with it? Niyo usanzwe umenyereye. Alright. So tell me in the comment which one is familiar to you. Niyo wari usanzwe umenyereye. So which one are you going to use nowadays? Niyo ugiye gutangira gukoresha ubu tuvugana se. Alright. Ntuzongera kuvuga cyane I'm tired. So you can say I'm pooped. Or just I'm spent. Or just I'm dead tired. Or just I'm exhausted. So let us continue and see the next 5 phrases. Ubundi buryo wakoresha it is I'm running on fumes. I'm running on fumes. Ivuze utya rero uvuze ngo I'm tired. Ubundi buryo bwa karindwi it is I'm running on empty. I'm running on empty. So nubundi buryo bwa karindwi wakoresha uvuga kunaniwe. So uburyo bwa munani the way is number 10. You can say I can hardly keep my eye open. Iki gihe urimo unahunyiza usinzira unaniwe pe urimo usinzira. So I can hardly keep my eyes open. Okay. Bivuga ngo birangoye no kuba ni guhangana n'amaso kugira ngo mena kanura. So unaniwe burya urimo uhunyiza inshuro nyinshi unani. I can hardly keep my eyes open. Alright. Uburyo bwa cyenda is I'm off to bed. Naho ushaka kugaragaza ko unaniwe ukeneye kuryama. I'm off to bed. Oh, I'm sorry. I'm off to bed. I can't talk with you. Ntabwo ushaka kuvuga nawe ndananiwe cyane. I'm off to bed. Ndananiwe. Right. So the last one is I'm going to hit the sack. Iyi nayo ni imvugo ya 10 wakoresha uvuga kunaniwe. So dear students, which one of these final 5 phrases are you familiar with? Ese muri izo eshanu hari nimwe mwari mumenyereye muri zo? Niba ntazo rero mumbwire. Muri izo eshanu muri izo eshanu duherukijeho niye wari umenyereye. Niba ntayo andika umbwira ati thank you for this lesson. Urakoze cyane kwiri somo. Kandi tangira ukoreshe zimwe muri izi phrase. Uvuga kunaniwe. Twabonye phrase 10 reka dusubiremo. I'm exhausted. I'm dead tired. I'm pooped. I'm spent. I'm beat. I'm running on fumes. I'm running on empty. I can hardly keep my eyes on. I can hardly keep my eyes open. I'm off to bed. And the final one is I'm going to hit the sack. Right. These are 10 ways to say you are tired. So advance your English with these phrases. So advance your English with Language Booster TV. Advance your English with your teacher Eric Unani. I'm here to help you to speak advanced English. Ndi hano kugira ngo mufanye kuvuga icyongereza gisobanutse. So thank you dear students. Let us meet next time. Remember that every morning and if possible every evening we have a live lesson. Buri munsi tuzatwiga isomo ryiza kandi ry'ingenzi. So feel free to suggest the lesson you want to learn. Ili kurutubwira isomo wifuza kwiga. So you can chat with me on my WhatsApp number 0728085379. Ushobora kutwandikira kuri numero WhatsApp 0728858379 ukavugana natwe tukaganira tukapraktika icyongereza. We can practice speaking English together with your teacher directly on WhatsApp number I've told you. So see you next time.